Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine at your home. शिक्षणशास्त्र महाविद्यालय संगमनेर B.Ed second year 2020-2021. My name is Shital Sachin Gite. So student, today I am going to teach you English subject. Standard 6. Today I am going to teach you grammar, okay? Topic is punctuation. Punctuation marks help us to express meaning of the sentence and donate the pauses and intonation to be used when reading aloud. Okay, when we read aloud, that time we used punctuation marks. Okay, punctuation marks is very important topic in grammar part. In a grammar part, punctuation marks is very important. Okay, so today we are going to learn some punctuation mark and symbols of punctuation. Punctuation mark are signs such as full stop, commas and question marks. Okay, you use them in sentence to make a meaning clear. To make a meaning the clear. First punctuation mark is full stop. See the definition of full stop. You put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Where we use full stop? We put a full stop at the end of the sentence. For example, see the first example. I live in Nasik. This is a sentence. Okay, I live in Nasik. So where I wrote full stop after ending the sentence. I live in a Nasik, full stop. Next sentence is this is my car. This is my car, full stop. Like this. Next sentence. The children are playing in the garden. This is a sentence, na? The children are playing in the garden. After garden, we have to do full stop. Means full stop, we put a full stop end of a sentence. Next sentence is my name is Shital. This is a sentence. Okay, my name is Shital. Full stop means where we have to do full stop. We used full stop at the end of any sentence. कोई भी sentence हो उसके बाद हम क्या देते हैं? Full stop देते हैं. Next is comma. Next punctuation marks is what? Comma. You put a comma between items in a list. You put a comma when between items in a list. For example, you need paper, scissor and glue. You need paper, scissor and glue. We need what? Paper, scissors also and glue also. So where we have to write full stop? You put a full stop between items in a list. For next example. See the next example. I like reading, swimming, playing basketball and going to the cinema. See in this sentence where you put a comma, reading, swimming, playing basketball and going to the cinema. Third sentence, see this third sentence, 3 number का sentence देखो. We study English, Maths, Science, History and Health Education at school. So where you put a comma, we study English. After English, next is comma, maths, comma, science, comma, history and health education at school. So we put a comma between item in a list. See next rule. You put a comma after yes or no. After yes or no questions में हम full stop comma देते हैं. Okay. See the example of these rules. Do you like football? See the question. Do you like football? Yes. Answer is what? Yes, I like it very much. Yes के बाद क्या हमने दिया? Comma. Okay. Yes, I like it very much. Second sentence. Is this your house? Is this your house? This is a question. So answer is what? Yes, comma, it is. It is के बाद क्या? Full stop. Yes, it is my house. Means this is the answer. When you put a comma after yes or no. Okay, answer. Third sentence. Is it still snowing? It is still snowing? No, it stopped. No, we took pause, no? No, comma, it stopped. See the next rule. You put a comma before or after the name of the person you are speaking to. Where we put a comma? You put a comma before or after the name of the person you are speaking to. For example, hello, Mr. Dev. Hello, Mr. Dev. In this sentence, where we put comma hello के बाद after hello Mr. Dev. Second example is good morning sir. Good morning के बाद comma sir. Good morning sir. Third, Miss Lee, can I borrow a pencil please? Miss Lee, can I borrow a pencil please? Where we put a comma? Miss Lee, comma, can I borrow a pencil, comma, please. Okay. Where we put a comma? You put a comma before and after the name of the person you are speaking to. Next rule. Comma also go before please and thank you. Comma also go before please and thank you. Example. See the example. Could you pass me that pencil please? See in this sentence. Could you pass that pencil please? Could you pass me that pencil, comma, please? Means comma also go before please and thank you. Next sentence. See the next sentence. I have had enough to eat. Thank you. I have had ate enough to eat. Enough to eat के बाद क्या दिया? Comma thank you. Means please or thank you. Comma also go before please or thank you. Third sentence. See the third sentence. Would you like another cake? Sally, no, thank you. See in this sentence where we have to write comma. Would you like another cake? After cake, comma, Sally. Question mark. No, thank you. Means comma also go before please or thank you. Next rule, see the next rule. You also use a comma between the part of the name of a place. Name of the place. We put a comma where? Between the parts of the name of the place. See, Raffles, place and Singapore. See, refer place and Singapore. Refer place and Singapore. ये दो separate है ना, separate words है, separate place है. So we put a comma between these two words. Tower Bridge and London. Tower Bridge, London. Tower Bridge and London. These two is different. What? Different place. So two places, between two places we have to put comma. Third example. Example number 3. See this example third. Antenna and Goria. Antenna and Goria. In these two words we have to write full stop in. We have to write comma in the middle of two words. Okay. See the last rule. First rule is what? What is the first rule? We put a comma between items in a list. We put a comma between items in a list means item जिसमें ज़्यादा है उसके बीच में हम क्या देते हैं? कॉमा देते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल इंग्लिश, वी स्टडी इंग्लिश, मैथ्स, साइंस, हिस्ट्री, हेल्थ, एजुकेशन. ये क्या है? हुए सब्जेक्ट के नाम हुए. आफ्टर एनी सब्जेक्ट, सी इंग्लिश comma, maths comma, science, history comma, like this. Okay, we put a comma between items in a list. Second rule is what is the second rule? You put a comma after yes or no. We put a comma after yes or no. Yes or no के बाद क्या देना चाहिए? comma देना चाहिए. Do you like football? You like football? Okay, yes. Yes के बाद comma, I like it very much. Next rule, you put a comma before or after the name of the person you are speaking to. Hello, Mr. Dev. Means before or after the name of a person. Before or after name of the person. See, hello, Mr. Dev. Hello, comma, Mr. Dev. Good morning, comma, sir. Good morning, sir. Miss Leah, can I borrow a pencil? Please. Miss Lina, comma, can I borrow a pencil, comma, please. Next rule, commas also go before please and thank you. See, comma also go before please and thank you. Okay, before please and thank you we have to put comma. Could you pass me that pencil please? Please के पहले means before we have to put a comma. Could you pass me that pencil, comma, please. I have had enough to eat, thank you. I have had enough to eat, comma, thank you. Means comma also go before please or thank you. Next rules, which rules is next? You also use a comma between the parts of the name of a place. Name between two parts of a name of a place. See, Rufia Place and Singapore. In these two places, this is two different places. These two what? Different places. So we put a comma middle in these two places. Tower Bridge and London. Tower Bridge and London. दो सेपरेट वर्ड्स हैं, प्लेसेस हैं. ओके, टॉर बीच कॉमा लंडन, एंथेना एंड गोरिया. इन दिस word we have to put comma. Where we have to put comma? In the middle of two words. Middle have to place. Okay. Next punctuation mark is question mark. You put a question mark at the end of question instead of a full stop. Where we have to put question marks At the end of any question, we have to put question mark instead of a full stop. See this rule. See the example of this punctuation mark. Can you hear me? Comma children. Can you hear me children? Question mark. Question किया है ना? Can you hear me children? Second example. How many apples are left? How many apples are left? कितने एप्पल बचे? This is a question. How many apples are left? Question mark. After question mark, where have to put? At the end of the question. Okay. What is your name? See in this sentence. What is your name? तुम्हारा नाम क्या है? What is your name? After ending what? Full stop. Where is my school bag? Where is my school bag? In this sentence, where we have to put full stop? At the end of the sentence. Do you know the answer to this sum? Do you know answer this sum? This is a question. WH question. WH question, which is the WH question? What, where, who, whom, why, how, can, do. This is a questioning words. Okay. So ये वर्ड्स आने के बाद हम क्या करेंगे? क्वेश्चन मार्क देंगे. मीन्स व्हाट इज योर नेम, वेयर डू यू लिव, व्हाई आर यू डूइंग दिस थिंग. ओके. आफ्टर एंडिंग full stop, question mark. Okay, now do you understood this punctuation mark? First, which punctuation marks we learned today? First punctuation mark is what? Full stop. Where we have to do full stop? Where we have to put full stop? End of the sentence. Second punctuation marks. Which punctuation marks we learned second? Yes, comma. We learned comma. Where we have to put comma? We learned definition. We learned rules about the comma, where we have to put. Next, punctuation mark. Which punctuation mark we learned? Question marks. When question is there, क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, उसके बाद हम क्या देते हैं? क्वेश्चन मार्क देते हैं. You put a question mark at the end of a questions. Which words we are using for questioning? What, where, how, where, then do, can, whether. Okay, this is a questioning word. Questioning words we have to ending with question marks. Now everyone understood this punctuation mark? First is full stop, comma and question mark. So today we learned which punctuation mark? Full stop, comma and question mark. Okay, we will see next punctuation mark in the next session. Okay everyone, now do you understood this punctuation mark? Very good. Now I will ask you some questions. Okay, tell me answer about that question. Tell me question marks of that sentence. Okay, first sentence is I can swim. Which sentence, which punctuation mark we have to put? We have to put full stop. Why we have to put full stop in this sentence? I can swim. This is sentence, that's why we put full stop. Yes, I can swim, full stop. Second sentence, see the second sentence. The bird is sitting on a branch. The bird is sitting on a branch. This is a sentence. Okay, where we have, which punctuation mark we have to put? We have to put full stop here because this is a sentence. The bird is sitting on a branch. Full stop. Next, third sentence. See the third sentence. Where do you live? Which punctuation marks we have to put here? Where do you live? Where is what? Which word is this? This is WH word. Okay, we put a question marks at the end of a questions. Okay, where do you live? This is a question. So we have to put question mark here. Which punctuation marks we have to put? Question mark. Next, fourth. How many days of a week? Which sentence is this? This is a questioning sentence. How many? How many days of a week? We have to put full stop. Fifth sentence. See the fifth sentence. I brought 2 apple, 3 orange and some grapes. Which punctuation marks we have to give here? We have to put here. I brought 2 apple, 3 orange and some grapes. This is atom. So एक से ज़्यादा एटम हुए तो हम बीच में क्या देते हैं? थम्स अप, कॉमा. I brought 2 apple, comma, 3 orange and some grapes. Very good. Now see the next application based question. Now see this. Put the correct punctuation mark. See the first sentence. This is my new pen. Which sentence is this? This is my pen. Yes, very good. This is a sentence. So we have to put full stop. This is my pen. Full stop. My father, second sentence. My father is a teacher. Which sentence is this? This is a common sentence. My father is a teacher. So we have to put full stop. Good. Next, 3. He is tall, handsome, smart and abilious young man. Now tell me which punctuation marks we have to put here. He is a tall, handsome, smart and abilious young man. Very good. He is a tall, comma, handsome, comma, smart and abilious young man. Means we have to put comma here because what? Yes, atom is there. So we have to put comma, tall, handsome. Okay, उसके बाद next 4 sentence. 4 number का sentence देखो. Why are you crying? Which sentence is this? Can you tell me? We will give me answer. Very good. Why are you crying? This is a questioning sentence. Is first word. Why? Why is WH question? WH word. Why, what, where, whom. Okay, this is WH question. How? Like this. So how are you? How are you crying? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Which punctuation marks we have to put? We have to put question mark because what? We are asking question now. Why are you crying? Like this. Now everyone open your notebook. Write down this assessment, means homework. Everyone write in your notebook. Write 5 sentences and put the correct punctuation mark. Write 5 sentences. कितने sentence लिखने हैं? 5 sentences. Write 5 sentences and put the correct punctuation marks. And put the correct punctuation marks. For example, what is your name? Where do you live? This is a questioning word. What, where? So we have to put question mark like this. Next, I live in Satara. This is what? Common sentence. So we have to write which punctuation mark? Full stop. Like this. Everyone write down 5 sentences. कितने sentence लिखने हैं? 5 sentences. Write 5 sentences and put the correct punctuation mark. Now everyone understood these punctuation marks. First punctuation marks we learn full stop, second is comma, and third punctuation marks is question mark. So everyone done? Write this assessment. Okay. Hope everyone understood this session. Okay. Now everyone please take care at home. Do study at home. Okay. We will meet tomorrow. Okay. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day.